VoiceFirstPlanner. Plan your whole life just by talking. Daily planning. Plan your day. Plan today in the time it takes to say it. Add review the team proposal as an A priority. Add call the plumber as a B priority on Friday. Add book the dentist tomorrow. Add renew car registration in 3 days. Add pay the insurance on June 30th. Daily planning priorities. Sort your day into A, B, C. Add file the tax return as an A priority. Add reply to the client email as a B priority. Add clear out the inbox as a C priority. Daily planning recurring. Set it once, it just repeats. Pilates every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Take vitamins every day at 8 a.m. Team stand up every weekday at 9 a.m. Daily planning projects. Every idea and project captured before it's gone. Start a project called Boat Refit. Start a project called Kitchen Renovation. Daily planning notes. Think out loud. We'll keep it. Note, great idea for the homepage hero. Remember, the venue is the harbour room. Daily planning, shopping. Say it once, it's on the list. Add milk, eggs and bread to my shopping list. Add sunscreen and a beach towel to my travel list. Add nails and a paintbrush to my hardware list. Life planning. Goals. Set goals you'll actually follow through on. Add goal, read 24 books this year. Add goal, run a half marathon. Add goal, save $5,000. Life planning. Values. Get clear on your values and every decision gets easier. Add health to values. Add family to values. Add integrity to values. Add growth and excellence to my values. Add mentor to my roles. Add coach to my roles. Present, patient and supportive. Life planning. Bucket list. Write the list of a life well lived. Add see the southern lights to my bucket list. Add learn to sail to my bucket list. Life planning. Habits. Build habits that actually stick. I exercised today. I went for a run. Life planning, reflections. 5 minutes of reflection changes everything. Morning reflection done. And coming with Pro, AI that plans with you, calendar and device sync, and a voice focus timer. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Start free at VoiceFirstPlanner.com. The free plan is the trial, no card needed. If this helped, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.